Hi everybody, it's Jessica, the Dollhouse curator, and welcome back to the curated dollhouse. However, today, y'all, we are not in our curated dollhouse. We are in our mini me's plural mansion. So a few weeks ago, if you have been following me on YouTube and Instagram, you guys know that I got the Rainbow High house, actually, I guess a couple of months ago now. I got the Rainbow High house. I initially got it to use with my Rainbow High dolls, and then after I got it home, I had also got my Barbie the movie President dolls, and I decided to change it up and use it to make a President doll house. So after I got to moving with it and we got it in our permanent space, I thought about the idea that I have a couple of mini me's. So I decided to make this the mini me's house. And I have also created a preteen mini me. Yes, I have. So today I'm going to be introducing you to my preteen mini me and her room in the mini me's mansion. And as we progress and get everything situated, I'm going to walk you through all of the rooms in the mini me's mansion so that you can see how I designed it and all of the mini me's that I've had over the years and my most recent ones, which I'm super excited about because I'm using that President doll and it is perfection. Perfection. Anyway, all right, so let's get started. So today I am going to introduce you to my team mini me. I'm also going to walk you through her room. And as you see, I have my little Chelsea dolls back here. I have decided to call my Chelsea dolls my littles. I don't know if y'all remember the TV show that used to be on way back in the day, and it was called The Littles, and they had this little theme song that said, "We are the Littles." I cannot sing, so I probably shouldn't have done that, and if I hurt your ears, y'all, I'm so sorry. I sing like a fallen angel who's been run over by a Mack truck. But I can dance, so I do have some rhythm. Yay. Okay, so I'm going to introduce you to my littles as well. So we're going to start off with my little preteen mini me here. And this doll, let me get her standing up and ready. So this doll is a Creatable World doll. I don't have the code for her right now, but she is the one with the little small mini afro. And when I ordered the Creatable World dolls, I just ordered them to have some older, little dolls in the dollhouse. And when she came in, I kept looking at her and I was like, oh my God, this would be such an adorable mini me. Preteen mini me. So that's what I decided to make her, and it is wonderful. So I do have to talk about some bad. Y'all, these Creatable World wigs, they're awful. I have had to do some washing, some conditioning, some finagling, some retwisting, some brushing out, some everything to get this to look decent. It still doesn't look that great, and I do have some ideas where I am going to stop using these wigs. I'm going to shave her little afro off, which is going to hurt my soul because I had a Jerry curl growing up and her little afro looks just like my little Jerry curl. Probably why I decided to make her a teen mini me. But anyway, but I'm going to either shave off her little afro and make her a wig, or I'm going to make her a wig on top of her little afro because this is okay, but I really want something that looks really nice and that really fits her well without adding all of this bulk to the top of the head. So that's the preteen mini me. And then I want to show y'all this outfit she has on. So those little $5-6 dolls from the Dollar General and Family Dollar. So I don't usually get those or any of their items because they're kind of cheap. But I saw this 5-pack of clothes and it had some items in there that I thought was cute, including this one. And I went ahead and got it. And then I got it home and I was like, oh, this is going to be a little too short for an actual Barbie. And then I remembered I have Creatable World dolls. So I tried it on her and I think it fits so well. I think she looks like she's getting ready to go to something, a little more dress up-ish. Like a UIL concert or a, dance banquet or something like that. But I thought it was cute. And I noticed that a lot of those little $5-6 fashion sets at Dollar General and Family Dollar will probably fit your Creatable World dolls and maybe your Rainbow High dolls, but I haven't tried it on a Rainbow High doll. But I will be actually getting more of these little sets because they worked out really well with that one. Excuse me. So next up, I'm going to walk y'all through my littles and how I articulated them and what I used. And then I have a couple other things and I'm going to give you the full tour. So to start out, I'm going to start with this little doll right here. Yeah, I'm going to have to let me move this, sit him right there. So this is a doll that I got from Five Below. I believe these are called the Zoe Summer Fun or Summer Riding dolls. They come in two different skin tones and they come with a little accessory. So they have a doll that comes with a bicycle, one comes with a scooter, and one comes with a skateboard. So now I have all three, but they come in two different skin tones, and I'll show you the other skin tone here in a second. But when I saw these at Five Below, I was like, oh, this is cute. And I didn't think it was that bad of a price to try to articulate my little Chelsea dolls because it was $5 and it came with a few accessories and at least a little outfit. And I was like, okay, that's no more than a fashion pack for Barbie. So I thought it was a good deal. And when I got her home, her little face was beautiful. And I was like, you know what? I'm not going to use this doll to rebody. I did test out the rebodying to make sure it would work for me. And it did. But then I left her on the body and then I ordered more of these dolls so I could rebody my other Chelseas. So the two skin tones that this doll comes in is this one, which I am calling between your Latinx to kind of your more lighter skin, black skin tones. And then we have this skin tone, which is a much more ivory pale skin tone. But this one is more of your redhead, pale ivory skin tone. So they come in these two skin tones, and I had a variety of skin tones with my Chelsea dolls, but they do seem to work. So I'm going to put her down right here. This skin tone I am also using on my little boy doll over here. So as you see, his skin tone is a little bit different. His head has more of a yellowish undertone, but that body isn't that bad. And if you put him far enough away from the camera, or if you put him in the right outfit, or if you are extremely creative, you could either redo the face or the body to match. But I thought this was good. The other one, the other skin tone is on this doll. So this is my little black Chelsea boy. And do they call these Tommies anymore? I don't know. But anyway, he's my little Chelsea boy. And he is on the Latinx, the light skin, black skin tone. And even though, again, the head isn't perfect, it's good enough. And I think even though the skin tones are not great, the fact that they have now knees and elbows and wrists and articulated, I think they're happy and I'm definitely more happy and I can make these work. So these come in great. I will say the Zoe doll body will work better if you were trying to make a boy doll. So there you go. The other one that I use for articulation are the Barbie Extra Mini dolls. So this is the Barbie Extra Mini that comes in the pink outfit with the gold shoes and the big gold crown on the head. This skin tone is a little bit off too, but you can't tell that much. I would not recommend using this one to make your boy Chelseas because there is a hint of boob on this doll because they are just meant to be Barbie Extra Mini dolls to represent a small scale Barbie, which, you know, Barbie and her 250 plus careers. So you're going to find a wider range of skin tones in this one, but I don't think this will be as good to make a boy Chelsea if that's what you're looking to do. But hey, to each his own, work with what you got. But here are some three options that I've used. So the Barbie Extra Mini, the Zoe skin tone in the dark, and the Zoe skin tone in kind of the redhead ivory. And they work really good. With the Barbie Extra Mini, there is a little bit of a height difference. So your Chelsea will get a little bit shorter, but it's not that noticeable. And I think it works pretty good. So y'all, I was so happy about this to be able to articulate my littles and then to set them up in here so I could go over this with you. I also have one other thing that I want to show you all before I start going through the room, and that is a pack of erasers that I found at the Dollar Tree. So I was there looking for stuff for the dollhouse and crafting items, and I ran across these erasers. I have thrown the package away, but I'm sure y'all will be able to find these. And you get 5 erasers, and they come in like a kind of sci-fi theme. So we have a big old UFO, we have a starship, we have a green 3-eyed alien that is smiling with a bow tie. This is so cute. And then we have our little spaceman. And then we have an actual rocket ship looking like it's taken off. So I thought these were really cute. They could be toys in the dollhouse for the little babies. But then when I got them home, I found something really interesting about them. And then I wanted to show you all this. So number one, this little man is posed where he can sit. I thought that was cute. And then with this one and a couple of the other ones, you can take it completely apart. So I thought, how cute is this to have in the dollhouse, maybe for a Christmas setting where you have your littles and they can look like they're opening their own little rocket kit for Christmas. And then boom, you put the pieces back together and I can set it up to make it look like the starship is blasting off. And we can do a 3, 2, 1. And it can take off with the fire. Yeah, I'm feeling my kid today, y'all. I think the preteen mini-me and doing this video with my littles has really got me feeling all of my kid energy. But I love this. I thought it was adorable. And then you can take a few pieces off of the little spaceman. So his like little head comes out right there and his foot comes off. So this is my third attempt at this video. There you go. Got his foot off. I thought that was cute. In the second attempt, I dropped it on the floor and almost didn't find it or didn't get it back on there. But this time it acted right. So yay. But anyway, I thought that was really cute for toys in the dollhouse. $1.25, not a bad price. And again, I love the sci-fi theme of all of these. All right, so now I'm going to put these back over here. And then I am going to take this camera off of the thing. If I get my fingers in the way, please excuse me. Oh, yay, I didn't. And then we're going to do the tour. So starting over here, I did a desk and closet area. I did the desk. I did initially make legs for it. Let me move this chair and you'll see like it doesn't have legs. It's sitting on that little set of drawers because the legs kind of came out a little wonky. So after I took them off and I couldn't find anything else to make work better, I remembered that I had that set of drawers and I was able to just put that desk and bookshelf and just sit it on there. And I think that looks like a pretty good little desk. It also does kind of represent furniture that I had growing up. I thought that was cute to kind of represent what my kind of preteen room looked like. I have a few knickknacks. I've got some Sugar Buzz candies up there, some Make It Mini Lifestyle, and some World's Smallest items. And then some little knickknacks and little fake books that I've made. So I thought it was cute. In the back, we have her clothes. Most of it is Rainbow High, but there's also Creatable World clothes over there. And some of the ones like this outfit that she has on that I got from the Dollar General. And then the shoes that you see back there are mostly Creatable World, but there are a few Rainbow High sets back there that I could actually get to fit on the Creatable World dolls. And then on this side, we just did her bed and TV and her pets. So we have over here, if y'all watched my Make It Mini Lifestyle video, you see that we have the little fish here. And this is our water bending beta fish Katara. And then I did find the turtle also. And we named the turtle Sokka. Yes, both from Avatar. I figure Sokka's a little slow and he loves to eat. So we named him the turtle. And then inside the bowl, we have a piece of watermelon and some banana slices from the Make It Mini Foods in there that he can snack on. So I thought it was cute. And then in all of the little bags back here all over, which is why I set the littles up in the preteen room, there are all kind of little things that I've put up here in detail. So in the shopping bags, we have candles and fingernail polish and jackets and magazines. And then over here we have some school supplies. I think there are some little makeshift Barbies that I've made in there. And then over here at the desk, you see the littles have found my little snack drawer. I thought that was a cute scene and I took some pictures of it today. So yeah, y'all, I am super excited. I loved being able to make a preteen mini-me. I also have some ideas to make a teenage mini-me for real, you know, like 16, 17, 18. And for that one, I want to use the new Illy doll, the one that I Love Mickey Illy doll with the braids. I had some braids in my senior pictures. I think it would be so cute to use that one and keep her as a more teen mini-me and make it work. But yeah, So, y'all, I'm super excited about this, especially being able to articulate my littles. I will definitely be on the lookout for more Chelsea dolls. I do not get all dolls that come out. Again, I'm not a collector, I'm a curator. So I get the things that really I think are cool and that means something to me or that I can really make work in my dollhouse. So I may get a doll because she has a different body style. I may get a doll because she has a new face mold. I may get a doll because the outfit is cute, but I don't buy every single doll. It has to mean something to me. So I am looking forward to finding more Chelsea dolls that I think are adorable and being able to use either the Barbie Extra Mini or these little Zoe summer riding dolls to be able to articulate more of my littles. Thank you all for visiting the Curated Dollhouse and coming on this tour of the preteen mini me room. And again, be on the lookout because over the next coming weeks, as I get all of this settled and really set up, I am going to be taking y'all on a tour through all of the different areas so you can meet all of my different versions of mini me and where they represent in the house. And also be on the lookout, y'all, because in our curated dollhouse, we are doing our dollhouse chef concept. And I have already posted episode 1. I've gotten some great comments and love from it. So thank you all for watching that. But in our curated dollhouse, we have our food show competition dollhouse up and we're using that to the fullest. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, I recommend you do. And then y'all keep stopping by because we will be back next week with a whole new concept and a whole new build. So until then, bye y'all.